Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Lauren, but I know who I am. I create natural hair videos, mommy vlogs, and also just day my life, lifestyle, general content. And today's video is going to be a hair video. As you guys see my last video, I have my hair like this, and it's going to be the silver ombre trendy look that's been going on here lately. And I love my braids. My friend Janessa had did these for me about a week or two ago, maybe less than. But anyway, I don't want to take them out yet because I still like how they look and I don't want to do my hair. So I did a couple different styles. I'm going to show you guys how I preserve the look to get them in and have them still look refreshed even after about a week or two already. So let's get into the video. But if you have not done this already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to get started here. You're going to need some bobby pins and some scrunchies or hair ties, however you want to call them. You'll need some. And so we're going to do quick and easy, like I said, and then we're going to just do a space spun look. It is very, very, very common. You've probably already seen it before, but for me, I just like to have my ends shown in the front and wrap it around and make sure it's tucked in nice and neat. And then I do the same thing to the side. And I know what you're going to say, probably my edges are looking really rough, but that is okay because when I filmed this video, I was actually on the way to the gym, so it made no sense to my edges. But I want to show you guys the looks. But yeah, this is the final look of the space buns. I have them half up, half down. And I just think this is a cute summer vibe. I just think it's very effortlessly and just kind of, it goes with everything. It's just casual. Like, there's nothing else to say about it, period. Alright, so moving on to the next style is still quick and easy, as I said. We're going to go ahead and just braid the front two twists, or I'm sorry, not twists. We're going to braid the front 3 strands in your hair, and I like to have them braided instead of twisted because when you twist it, it unravels quicker than braiding it. And make sure you secure the end with a hair tie as well. But this is going to be basically like a headband style look, so you use this braid into the end of the hair, and then once it is braided, you'll pull both braids to the back of your head, and then you kind of tuck them into a headband style look. So you guys see here, I'm just placing it behind my head and just tucking the braids, the ends of it, underneath it. So I thought that would be cute, still casual, still just like ready to go in 5 seconds. So yeah. Alright, moving on to this one. It is a common one, which I probably don't have to explain to you guys already, but it still makes a top. It is a top bun, half up, half down look, and honestly, it's just kind of self-explanatory. Nothing much to even say about it, honestly. And I just kind of make sure mine is secure with bobby pins. It looks lopsided, but it's not. It's just how the camera's angled. But again, it's so cute on ombre hair when it's in a bun. So I like buns on my ombre braids. But yeah. Alright, so and moving on to the next style, I wanted to show you guys a little bit something different, but it is going to be a side style. So basically it's kind of the same what I did before. I braided like the first 3 strands in my front of the hair. I just braided that all the way down, braid, and then I just kind of put the braid behind my head. It's almost like it's like a half headband style, but not really. You guys will see. So yeah, just put everything behind my head, and then I bobby pin the end of that braid on my other side. You can always do it in a ponytail. You can do it just kind of tucked in the hair. It's totally up to you. I just like my bobby pin because it's just secure from my end, but it's your hair, do what you want. But it's a cute look. I think it's still very like flirty, cute, and it just gives you that spice that you may need. Instead of having your hair up, have it down, little braid tucked in on one side, and that is all you need. Alright, so this style I'm going to show you as well. I actually love this style a lot more just because I think it's just like flirty, cute, Spice Girls look. Like it's so cute, and it's so like quick and easy. Like it's literally just 2 ponytails. So it's half up, half down, but the top ponytails are just gonna be out like this, no like space buns, no double tie, just out. And it looks so cute though. Like if you have like with a cute bohemian dress or some makeup on, it will look really, really cute. So like it's just like little girl vibes. I love it. Love it. It gives me like, okay, schoolgirl vibes. I'm winning, whatever. This is too much. This voice over, I've not done one in so long. I love it, but whatever. All right, so moving straight from that style to the next one, I just take the ponytail out, and then I'm gonna go and just like wrap all my braids on one side into a big space bun. So wrap, and tuck, wrap, tuck. That's how you're gonna do this style. And same thing for the other side as well. Now, for me, this style is not really used if you're gonna be out moving out a lot. Like if you're like going to a festival or something like that, I would suggest it. If you're like jumping on a trampoline, don't do that because it's gonna unravel. But it is cute for stationary events. But I think it's cute. And then like again, these are like bohemian style looks. If you have a bohemian shirt, bohemian skirt, this look is cute, and it's also really like queen vibes I get as well. So definitely a banger. And this is the next hairstyle I have for you guys as well. It's also going to be something different as far as the last one. So it's going to be a ponytail, but it's going to be like a dreadlock ponytail. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'll put half my hair in a ponytail like you guys see right now, and then I kind of start braiding it halfway down a little bit, and then as I'm braiding it, and I'm also like wrapping it into a bun, like it's into a bun almost. So you kind of will see me wrapping my hair right now into a bun and wrapping the ends of that into that bun right there. And then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin per usual. Make sure everything is nice and tucked away. And then for the stragglers at the end, I'm going to do the same thing. Just wrap it around the same part and tuck and wrap. That's the favorite thing we're going to do. Tuck, wrap. And yep. And that's going to be the same thing on the other side as well. As you guys can see close up, kind of how it looks as well too. And again, my actual style would have been so much bomb if I had my edges done. Like y'all, it would have been like, ooh, child. But it's still cute. Just imagine my edges laid on this style. Just edged layers. Just imagine them like laid edges right now, okay? Just look at that. But yes, just kind of fix it to your liking. Make sure no flowers are out. But this is the look right now. It's definitely queen vibes, queen Egyptian. Just everything is just melanin popping. I love that look. You don't see that a lot. It can look like a regular bun, but then again, it's not because it has more to it. So it's definitely a vibe. I definitely like this style as well. Alright, so this is the end of my video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed the little styles I've done for you. If you're not done this already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!